name?
My name is Viraj Shashiransh.
What is your school name?
My name is Vidyasil Public School Tonda.
Which is your class?
I am in nursery class.
What is your taluka name?
Udgir,
What is your district name?
Latur,
Tell me the opposite words. Bigger,
small,
longer,
short,
inside,
outside,
same,
different,
नया,
छोटा,
अपना,
बनाया,
अच्छा,
बुरा,
आज.
कल,
Tell me our national symbols. National bird is,
peacock,
national fruit is,
mango,
national animal is,
tiger,
national flower is,
lotus,
national song is,
Vande Mataram,
national tree is,
banana tree,
national anthem is,
Jana Gana Mana,
national river is,
Ganga,
national game is.
hockey,
How many seasons?
3 seasons.
Tell me the seasons name.
Monsoon, winter, summer.
How many days in the week?
7.
Tell me the days in the week.
7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday.
Sunday is holiday. What is the color of sky?
Blue,
What is the color of blood?
red,
What is the color of sun?
yellow,
What is the color of teeth?
white,
What is the color of hair?
blue, black,
How many fingers in one hand?
5.
Tell me some fruits name.
Apple, banana, pomegranate, mango, apricot,
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Go.